How to change aspect ratio for the Smart View mirror screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, you can either swipe down at the top and then go into settings. And here, tap on connected devices. Then scroll down and tap on Smart View. And then tap on the more button and then tap on settings. And here, tap on set aspect ratio. And from here, you can choose full screen on phone or full screen on connected devices. Now, the other options is to tap on this floating smart view and then tap on change aspect ratio. This is kind of like a shortcut that allows you to quickly go to this settings page. And from here, you can choose full screen on connected devices or full screen on phone. Now, make sure that in order for you to see this floating smart view, that you are already connected to your TV. So here, if I disconnect, you can see the float bar will be removed from the screen. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or off, or how you can change the aspect ratio of your smart view screen mirror. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.